Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about the technique by using which you can become fluent in just 21 days. Yes guys, you heard right. You can become fluent in just 21 days by using the technique what I'm going to tell you. First thing you need to do is you have to take a blank paper and you have to take a pen and write down all the helping verbs on that blank paper. And what next you need to do is you need to make the sentences by using all these helping verbs. But remember one thing is you need to use the same main verb by making all these sentences. It will be very easy for you. Let me show you how I practice it. Like I can go there, मैं वहाँ जा सकता हूँ. I could go there, मैं वहाँ जा सका. I could have gone there, मैं वहाँ जा सकता था. I should go there, मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए. I should have gone there, मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए था. I will be able to go there, मैं वहाँ जा पाऊँगा. And I'm going there, मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ. मैं वहाँ जा चुका हूँ. I have gone there. So this is the way in which you have to practice. And after 21 days, you will see the miracle. You will see remarkable changes in yourself. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.